This is very amazing and rare in Finland today on the 24th of April 2023. It's Professorintie, Professorveckan 2 stage C. There will be the stages B and A here later. Series 1 here, of course. Wave 1 first, built in 1992, turned 30 years old and last year 2022, December SB1 and 1193. Ja this is here in Munkkiniemi, Helsinki, ja se on monia Finland. Amazing find.
Yeah.
I love this post-modern style.
Exactly.
Doesn't go to the basement floor here. The capacity is 8 buses per 60 diagrams, all 0%. Luckily it was not modernized or anything.
Yeah. Inspected by lift installed and maintained by Espon Hissi.
Will be inspected next year, 2020. Yeah. I can sit down here. Chair. I close the door. It's working fine. There's one in the residential building with automatic doors is not common in Finland. I think we've only seen it in Leppävaarta, like 87 Otis.
Yeah.
And this is Otis, but not Otis anymore.
Yeah.
Maybe it was finished late 1992.
Yeah. That's
it. Thank you.